All right, it's our first time staying in a DVC villa, and we're gonna open the door and show you. But here is roommate 16, and Corey's opening the door.
Oh.
This is a one bedroom deluxe villa. Oh, look at this. Right, you walk in the door, washer, dryer, closet, mirror. It's a connecting room.
No.
We don't want to open that. There might be somebody over there. That's me. Hi.
Hi.
And my new ears. Full kitchen. Full-size refrigerator. Little Keurig. Looks like the one we have at the office.
Oh, look at that.
Dishes, microwave, full stove, more glassware, a dishwasher, sink, shelves. Then you come in, welcome home, us.
Us.
Yeah. So this right here.
Oh, is that the Murphy bed?
This is a Murphy bed. It's got a cute little background. I believe this is a Tiana themed room. Yep, there it is. Oh, there she is. Look at that. Full dining room table. The couch pulls out to a queen. And then, of course, it's a Murphy bed. Pulls down to a full size. And then this pulls out to just a smidge smaller than a twin. Some gorgeous Tiana artwork. Sorry, the lights, you can't really see it. Bathroom. One sink. Nice shower. Just stand-up shower with a little foot area for me. There's a rainfall shower. Lots of towels. This room can sleep, I believe, up to 5 comfortably. This full-size dining room table, I can't get over that. And then come in here,
This is
and
where the magic happens.
Corey's already made himself comfy. There's another TV welcoming us home. Very nice little workspace, desk. Welcome, 70th anniversary. Some nice stationery, gorgeous curtains. Our view is of the pool. We do have a little balcony though out the other room that I'll go out and show you. This is just the view from the bedroom. It's king size bed, nightstand, and then you got your gorgeous Princess and the Frog backdrop up there. And then we've got another nightstand, and here's bathroom number 2. Look, we each get our own shower. Just kidding. One is a water closet, just a toilet. But there is 2 sinks, 2 mirrors. There's Corey. Hi. Gorgeous lights on them. They're so cute. And then this humongous bathtub with a gorgeous, gorgeous mosaic back there. Yes, this is the shower. Nice stand-up shower. So really there is 2 showers. There's just one in the other half. Would you consider that a half bath? I would consider it a full bath. There's a toilet, shower, and sink. So.
Yeah,
Then there's the room, just the toilet.
If you have people staying out there, then
Fabulous.
that's a bathroom.
Yeah,
This would be the master bath.
this is the master. I don't know what they call these, but it's like a sliding door. It slides shut. It is a fabulous, fabulous room. And thank you to those that gifted us some DVC points to be able to stay here before they even got to stay here. That's the kindest thing ever. I hope you all have a fabulous day. Oh, let's take a peek out on the balcony quick to show you. You can see there's the Murphy pull down. There's some shelves and a nice light if you like to read. And you can see Corey's kind of pulling it down there. Oh, look at the cute Princess and the Frog backdrop. Oh,
That's awesome.
that is too cute. And then got some footstools, a full couch. Let's see if I can So here is the balcony. We are overlooking, oh, the monorail, water slide and pool. All the little chairs and umbrellas to avoid the hot, hot sun.
It's not that bad.
It's not. We can see the
Oh, Tower of Terror.
Tower of Terror. Guardians of the Galaxy over there. We have not been to California Adventure yet. Oh, and there's one of the mountains from Batu over in that direction. You can kind of see it. Yeah, so great view. We're on the 8th floor, as you could tell by our room number, but this is fabulous. We already went to the Disneyland park for a while. Now we're gonna take a nap because we have reservations for later today. So hope y'all have a fabulous day. Bye.